Hi guys, how are you? As you could read by the title, I am opening my December lip service bag today. I've had this for a few days now. I actually have a whole stack of boxes I have to open, so I'm going to try and film at least 2 today. But I wanted to do this one first. So if you're unfamiliar, Lip Service is a lip balm subscription. And they recently changed their pricing, so it used to be $2 shipping, but now they just added that in. So it's I think the total price is $7.95 plus free shipping. And I have a coupon code. I will leave it down below to get 10% off. So I think now that they put the shipping into the actual cost of it, you actually save more with my coupon code. So if you're interested and you love lip balm and you like what you see, you can also check out my older videos. Definitely use that code down below. It's a really affordable, fun subscription. So you get a lip balm from like an Etsy type shop, a small locally owned business. And then you also get a few other goodies too each month. So it's super fun. I love getting it. Lip balm is perfect for wintertime too. So I will open this in just a moment. But before I do that, I just want to remind you that I do have a giveaway going on. It ends super soon, so tomorrow night. So make sure you enter. I will leave the giveaway video link down below so you can learn more about the giveaway there and enter. I have it set up through Gleam. There's been some issues. I'm sorry to anyone who had any issues with it, like some people losing some of their daily entries. Some people just already subscribed to me that couldn't get the entry for subscribing. I don't know. I'm not going to use Gleam again, I don't think, but you do have to sign up through Gleam. Pretty much all you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel and like that video. So definitely go check that out. It's open international. Like, why not enter, right? But anyways, let's get going. So I am going to open up this bag. I like that it comes in a bag because the contents are small, and really I have so much recyclable waste. It's ridiculous. Like, you should see this room. It's just covered in boxes and like in other boxes full of smaller boxes. I'm gonna get scissors and open this up. So I'm gonna see if there's a card in here and get that first. And it looks like there is, I believe. Let's see. I found 2 cards. I think this is, yeah, so this is the size. They have like a little business type size card that comes every month. And it says, fa la la and merry everything. This month, Lip Service is all about this festive season, so whatever you celebrate, be sure to do it with gusto. We are celebrating with the deluxe Candy Cane Peppermint Lippy, yum, by Organic Hippie Skincare in a place in Arizona, let's just say. Check them out on Etsy. If you have Lip Service 2.0, you can also get the deluxe Vanilla Bean Lippy. So they have a version called 2.0, which means really you just pay a little bit more and get 2 lip balms per month. So awesome. Then it says Happy Holidays, Rebecca. And Rebecca is the owner of this box. She also has another one. I think it's called Rebecca's Mail or something like that. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. But then, okay, so this is the Etsy shop. If you like what you see, you can press pause. It says that they are cruelty-free, everything's handmade, and the lip balms are hand-poured in small batches, and they are a new company, and there's a 15% off code. So I'll leave that down below. Oh, my Fitbit tells me when I have phone calls coming in. I get so many spam calls that have the first 3 numbers the same as mine. Does that happen to anyone else? It's like constant. And if I block them, they just call from a slightly different number. I never answer calls. I don't know why they're even trying. But anyways, okay, I am going to open this. Oh, is this like a lip balm holder? I heard something jiggling before. I thought maybe it was a bell, but no, it's not a bell. So this looks like something you can clamp onto your purse or wherever, and you can keep your lip balm just nice and snug in there. We've gotten one of these in the past. I like this one better actually. This one's cloth. I think the other one was like a faux leather type material. So sometimes I know it's hard to find that lip balm in your bag. Things get lost. Like, I lose things in my bag all the time. So that's cute. So let's look at the lip balm and then we can put it in there to see how it works. So Organic Hippie Skincare Peppermint Moisturizing Lip Balm. Ingredients are beeswax, coconut oil, shea butter, castor oil, natural flavor, vitamin E, and it's 100% natural. That is what it looks like. So that's awesome. Smell it. I'm not going to put it on right now because I did just put on a liquid lip. I'm trying to switch up my makeup routine. I have put on a lippy by Ofra, so far I like it. It's like matte but doesn't feel uncomfortable. This really smells like peppermint. This is perfect for a holiday. Awesome. I'm excited about that. Since put it in this little holder. It's so cute. So yeah, it just fits right in. So that's cute. And then is another little extra. There is a little peppermint candy sucker. That's cute. That sounds really good too, like after a meal and have a peppermint. Oh, nice. So yeah, awesome. So that is what lip service is. So you get a lip balm and then you get some accessories like type thing and then some candy usually. They're usually a cute little treat. So awesome. I love that they support small businesses. I think that's super important. So I will leave that information down below along with the Etsy Shop promo code if you want to support them and check them out. But now on to the advent calendar. So today is December 13th. So crazy how time is flying. So I think I spotted 13 earlier. Right there is a cute little earth on it. And I'm just gonna take this whole thing out. Okay, so it's another item from the Amande or the almond line, and this is a milk concentrate. So this looks like a lotion, let's see. This melting cream helps the body to feel firmer and smoother. Awesome, I could use that, some firming especially. So this is a good size. I'll just put some on my hands now. Smells nice. I like that like light, barely there almond scent. I think that's perfect for everyday lotions and stuff like that, especially if you're sensitive to fragrance. Like this is very light. It smells really good. So awesome. So that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for unboxing, or should I say unbagging with me, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.